So hello and welcome to Film Mixologist, the place on the internet thingy where we break with tradition. Case in point, this unit here. This is a complete induction system for an MG Maestro, kind of Rover Group MG Maestro 1.6. And so it comprises, and the reason why I call it we break with tradition is because generally on this channel I generally tend to do just the carbs. Was in this series of videos, which this is gonna be, I've got work here for several weeks. In this series of videos, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be restoring this complete induction setup for the MG Maestro. So what I'm going to show you is I'm going to show you very quickly what we're working with, and in this first episode is going to be start with the disassembly process of this unit, and try to piece together what we have here and working out some sort of strategy around how we're gonna clean it. So let me show you a bit closer. Okay, so here's the air cleaner. As you can see, it's got the MG logo in there, and even all the way down here, look, this must be some sort of cold air induction from the cowl there that must go like so. And so I'm satisfied that this is bona fide a complete setup. You can see the inside of it there, not very well, it's very dirty, so that's gonna require quite a bit of cleaning. And so what we're working with here is some 40 DCNF Webers, which are actually insanely good carbs. So I'm actually quite surprised that this MG had this carbs as standard fitment. So it's a few bits and bobs. Issues that we have is that these carbs are frozen solid, so you can't the throttle shafts are well, not working very well, shall we say. So this could be a little bit of a problem. We're gonna have to work through that, and obviously all the rubbers here have perished. If you see here, you should have a rubber, and here as well, look there, you can see more or less, I hope you can see it there, the rubber is like falling apart on my hand. Here there are some more rubbers cut and whatnot. So evidently there is quite a little bit of decay here that we need to deal with, but apart from that, it's an absolutely complete intake. So I thought, you know what, why don't we make a video about restoring the complete intake, because that would be something different in this channel. So now that I've showed you, let's have a look if you can see there the inlets. The throttles look actually quite good. So now what I need to do is I need to kind of start the disassembly process, which on this one is going to be a bit more complex because I need to first separate all the air cleaner bits from the carbs, and then I need to separate the carbs from the manifold, and then I need to disassemble the carbs. So this is I've got my work cut out here. And also I need to free the carbs, as in make sure that the shafts start spinning freely. That's going to be a bit of a mission, but we'll get through it. It's not the first time I've done this, not my first rodeo. In fact, I'm in the management committee that organizes the rodeo. But anyway, it's a nice challenge, so let's get on with it, and let's try and commence this project. So that was hard work, but you know, the results are better than I expected so far, all things considering. So I'm going to show you what's the sort of work that I have to do here, and it's considerable. In particular with the carbs, I don't know if you can see there, but there is just so much dirt in there. Obviously these units would have never worked in a million years. This one is completely seized, so maybe in the next episode I'll show you some techniques and tricks to get them unseized. This one, same situation. Look at that, it's full of dirt. This unit would have never worked, but this one kind of spins freely-ish, so this is a good sign. So we don't have to unseize that. Look at the level of dirt in here on the top of the floats. The floats also are quite minging. The trumpets are disgusting, but anyway, we knew all that before we started. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to shut the video in here, because I've got enough to work on as is. But what we'll do next time is trying to get the shafts unseized and start the cleaning process, which in this particular units, because of the way they are, it's going to take us quite a while to get them clean. But anyway, I just want to say kind of thank you very much for watching. If you've got any questions either about this unit or in general, please put it down in the comments, and I'll see you in the next episode.